Well, hello, friends. I just got an exciting package in the mail today, and I'm gonna open it up. This is an unboxing video. It's supposed to be a special treat. Let's see what it is, okay? It comes from a special company, and the company is called CrackCorn. Doesn't that sound interesting? CrackCorn. Let's take a look inside. Here we go. CrackCorn, the most innovative new snack. It won the 2021 Snack Award. I have to taste this snack. Let's look at it. Here we go. This is CrackCorn. It's special corn in a bucket. This one is the original corn. We also have this one, cheddar cheese. And this one, sea salt caramel. We also have this one, French toast. And there's more. We have this one, French toast again. And we have this one, chili lime. You gotta have a little spice in your life. We're not done. We also have this one, monkey puffs. Banana flavored with real chocolate. One more thing. Final one. This one, ice cream sundae. I'm ready to try one. You know what? Cheddar, caramel, original, those sound kind of boring. We're gonna try one of these fun ones. French toast. Oh, smells so good. Taste magnificent. I didn't open that too well, did I? I need to work on that. I'm ready to try another one. Which one should I try? Okay, Tina, I'll try this one. Ice cream sundae. Open it like this. Oh, this comes just like that. Ice cream sundae. Vanilla, cherry flavored, and dark chocolate. Just like a sundae. I love it. I'm just gonna try one more. Which should I try, folks? Okay, Billy, I'll try this one. Monkey puffs. Let's find out. Banana-y. And absolutely wonderful. Folks, if you ever see CrackCorn, you need to go and buy it. Thanks for watching me here at Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. Gluten-free with no hulls, it's CrackCorn.